If you are over 50 and struggling with high blood sugar, you have likely been told that eliminating all carbohydrates is your only hope. It is completely understandable why you believe this, but here is the shocking twist. Severely starving your body of these foods can damage your metabolic response, keeping your cells chronically inflamed and permanently deaf to insulin. The absolute fastest way to fix your blood sugar is not by blindly cutting everything out, but by strategically adding specific foods that force your body to heal on a cellular level. Before we fix this, we need to shatter a massive medical myth. Most aging adults believe high blood sugar simply comes from eating too much sugar. But the hard medical data proves it is actually an upstream hormonal crisis driven by insulin resistance. Your pancreas is pumping out plenty of insulin. But chronic inflammation has caused your cellular receptors to stay shut and completely ignore the signal. Handing you a standard prescription just pushes more insulin into a system that is already drowning in it, prioritizing economics over true cellular repair. Real, measurable healing happens when you use specific nutrients to slow stomach emptying, cool cellular inflammation, and wake up your insulin receptors so your body can clear glucose naturally and sustainably. 1. Ceylon cinnamon. Cinnamon contains powerful natural plant compounds called polyphenols that behave almost exactly like human insulin, helping your cellular receptors grip glucose tightly while simultaneously slowing down the rate your stomach empties after a meal. The massive mistake aging adults make is buying the common cassia cinnamon sitting on the shelves of their local grocery store. To get the clinical benefits, you must buy Ceylon cinnamon, which is often labeled as true cinnamon, and stir 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon into your morning coffee, smoothie, or oatmeal every single day, right alongside a carbohydrate meal to maximize the cellular grip. You must strictly avoid taking large daily doses of the cheaper cassia cinnamon, because it carries a compound called coumarin, which is highly toxic and very hard on your liver. 2. Broccoli sprouts. These tiny plants are loaded with sulforaphane, a potent compound that travels straight to your liver to quiet down its overnight glucose factory, dropping the inexplicably high morning fasting numbers that frustrate so many older adults. The mistake people make is ignoring these specific sprouts and eating regular, mature heads of broccoli instead, completely missing out on the highest concentration of active nutrients. You need to buy or grow 3-day-old broccoli sprouts, which contain between 50 and 100 times more sulforaphane than mature broccoli, and eat a raw 1/4 cup handful on your sandwich or salad daily. However, you must never cook them hard, because exposing these delicate sprouts to high heat completely destroys the active sulforaphane compound and eliminates the medical benefit. 3. Fenugreek seeds. These small amber seeds are packed with galactomannan, a unique soluble fiber that expands into a thick gel in your gut to drastically slow how fast your stomach empties carbohydrates into your small intestine. The mistake most men and women make is walking right past this powerful tool in the spice aisle just because it sounds exotic or unfamiliar. To dramatically lower your fasting numbers, you should soak exactly 1 teaspoon of whole fenugreek seeds in a glass of water overnight. Then drink the water and eat the softened seeds first thing in the morning before breakfast. You must start with this very low dose, because this fiber is intensely strong, and taking too much too quickly will cause severe gastrointestinal distress before your gut has time to adjust. This video is for educational purposes only. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe so you don't miss out on other videos.